Hello everybody, good afternoon to you. Morning, afternoon, evening to you, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. So, let's get straight into it. Today is a brand new week, and this week it seems like everything is rising. Are we recovering for real, for good, or is this just a spike, a very bullish, a spike with bullish momentum? I would say. Is this it? Not too sure ourselves. We are not too sure ourselves. But if you look at the past 7 days, everything has been rising double digits, right? But although we have already fallen quite a lot, but everything is kind of recovering double digits. And hey, this is good, right? Shiba Inu is the one that's recovering the most at 32% of all the top coins, right? 1 to 20. But anyway, today we're going to be taking a look at number 50 as usual, every week, where we count down from number 50 to number 1. Oh yeah, I forgot to hang on. I forgot to publish on Twitter 1 to 20. But anyway, today we're going to be taking a look at... Okay, Twitter is not going to get a live stream today. Apparently, Twitter is not going to get it. So anyway, let's get straight into it. If you are watching, I think if you're watching, you're very likely on YouTube or Twitch. But anyway, let's get straight into it. Right, today we're going to be doing Monero up to Sen. So let's get straight into it. Monero. So for Monero against BTC, Monero, we're still under the skinny pink line. The trend is still bearish for Monero. But is this it? Is this the reversal for Monero against BTC? We're not too sure. I don't really like that we are stabbing close to the bottoms over here. So the whales may just pull the price lower, eat up everybody's top sell before pushing it back up, right? I mean, of course, if we do recover from here, this would be great, right? In the sense that we could get a squeeze, an A, a B, a C, a D, a E, and then pump. We break higher for Monero against BTC. This would be amazing, actually. This would be awesome. But the thing is, we're not too sure ourselves. We have been largely in a downtrend, right? The last time we had a spike above the skinny pink line, we got slapped back down, right? We spiked back again above it. We got slapped down. We attempted to break above the skinny pink line. Again, we got slapped down. And yeah, we went close to the skinny pink line. But again, a lot of slaps. And so Monero keeps falling lower against BTC. Keeps losing its value against BTC. You could see that Monero against BTC way back. There was a beautiful, absolute beautiful 10 out of 10 inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, sayonara, bitches. And so Monero went on a rampage towards the upside. After that, yeah, nothing lasts forever, right? And eventually, we came down for a correction. Eventually, I think once we have a proper consolidation, we will very likely see the recovery of Monero. But the question still remains in our minds: is this the low? Is this the low? Are we going to still form a new low before we go higher? We are not too sure. So that's why when things were falling over here, we had no idea, right? When things were falling over here and falling over here, it was like, is this the low? Or is this the low? Or is this the low? Or are we going to drop a little bit lower? Yeah, we actually did drop a little bit lower. And after that, the bullish momentum came in, right? So as a trader, you do not rush into anything. You don't force a trade while things are still bearish, right? You respect the whales. You respect the bearish trend. And only after the trend switches bullish. So how would you know if a trend switches bullish, right? When we see a rally close to the highs over here, right? There was a very bullish rally that came. And after that, there was a correction, but we didn't correct all the way back down. I can't say for sure, but very likely we retraced to the 0.618 golden retracement ratio before we went on a super duper rocket launch. So that's why the question still remains: is this the bottom? Is this bottom? We don't know. So that's why we have to wait for that super strong rally to come, and then we have a deep retrace. It may be a shallow retrace, but after the retrace comes, and then once we go back up, right, we start curving back up, then yes, then the trend could be changing. And this is where we make our entries, only after we have confirmation. Right now, there is no confirmation that things are switching bullish yet. So that's why you have to have patience. As a trader, you must have patience. Patience is the the number one thing that every trader, every profitable trader has, as in you wait for the opportunity to present itself. So right now, there's just no opportunity. As long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain buyers bearish for Monero against BTC. Monero against USD. Two targets over here for Monero against USDT because this was a descending triangle. We broke out of the support line. Right now we are hitting the resistance. Support once broken becomes resistance. So we are hitting back above the resistance. Are we going to break through it? Are we going to head towards the skinny pink line? Potentially we could, and then yeah, this whole thing could be something else. Yeah, we might get something like that. Okay, let's draw it as straight as we can. Yeah. It still could become a descending triangle, and we could still be heading lower, right? It's just that this is a, some whale shenanigans of sorts. Yeah, we hit the skinny pink line, we come back down, and we head lower. Absolutely possible. No guarantees that this is the bottom. Is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? Again, we don't know. We really don't know, and I don't really like the flat bottom, right? This is very flat bottom goals. They make the world go around. So yeah, if anything, yeah, we're in a rally. Actually, the boys and I in Patron, we've been anticipating a rally, and so here we are. Here the rally comes, and so yeah, we are in several trades ourselves towards the long side, and yeah, things seems to be going well for us. Alright, that's it for Monero. We're moving on to Theta.